Hey guys, and the great get tip for you is how to bend a harmonic. We call this the bent nickel in honor of our friend Michael Nickel, who discovered this technique. I've never seen it done before, how to bend a harmonic. Now it's a very simple technique, but yet hard to know how to do because it's really never been done before. So, you're going to want to start on the 12th fret and make it ring. Once you do this, you're going to put your pressure on your hand on the guitar right here. Take your other hand and put it on the base of the head, the stalk on the back. And you're going to push slightly. It's better to do less than way too much. So, now if your guitar does not have a rod in the neck, I wouldn't do this. It's not supposed to do too much pressure because the rod's in the neck to prevent it from doing so, but this is a new technique, so we are not responsible for any guitars that would break in the making of this technique. So, but you should be fine. There's no problem as long as you have a rod in the guitar. Please subscribe to our channel. Get tips with the Allen brothers here. Check out more awesome videos and stay tuned for what's next.